Hi, I am Nath. Welcome back to my channel Craft Addict. This is the second part of the baby frock. Here I will show you how to make the neck portion and the extended frock portion. Thank you to all of my subscribers. If you inspired me to bring new videos for you. Those who are new to my channel, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notification early. It's totally free of cost. Do check my Instagram and Facebook profile for new products. I shall leave all the information in the description box. First we will do the neck portion. I'm showing you. I'm going to add this new yarn. Add this new yarn with a slip stitch. And now make one single crochet in each of the stitches all through the round. This is first round. Now I have completed the whole round. You can see this was a single crochet round. Now chain 1 and turn your work. We will start the next round. Make one single crochet in the first stitch and then chain 2 and now skip 2 stitch and make 7 double crochet in the next stitch. Make 7 double crochet in one stitch. And now skip 2 stitch again and into the third stitch make one single crochet. It will look like this. Again chain 2 and skip 2 stitch and in the third stitch make 7 double crochet. Now again skip 2 into the next stitch, make one single crochet, chain 2, and now in this way repeat the same pattern all through the round. Now I have completed the second round and I am now going to move on to the next round. Slip stitch to the first stitch and make one double crochet. Then chain one and into the next stitch make again one double crochet, then chain one, into the next one double crochet, chain one. In this way complete 7 stitches. Now chain one and slip stitch over the single crochet we have made in the previous row. It will look like this. Now again chain one and again make one double crochet, chain one in the next 7 stitches. Follow the same pattern and complete the whole round. Now we will start the next round. Turn your work, chain one and in the previous row chain one gap we will make 3 double crochet together, 3 double crochet together, make 3 double crochet together and then chain 2 and follow this pattern. In every chain space gap make 3 double crochet together and chain 2. This is the 4th round we are working, and complete this round. In this way complete the whole round. Now we have come to the end of this round. I have completed the whole round. Now I am working the extended portion of the frock. I am increasing 2 more rows with the darker color. This is simply making shell over shell, chain one shell over another shell. So in this way complete 2 more rounds. Now I have completed the frock, and you can see I have made 2 more rounds here with the darker color, and at the back I have attached one button here and make one loop. This is simple. Make 7 chain and join with the slip stitch with the same stitch. This will make your button hole. Complete this in this way and your baby frock is complete. The chest is 10 inches. It will be nearly 10 inches, and the length I am measuring the length. You can see the length is 13 inches. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video with new project. Have a great day. Till then, bye bye.